Hello everybody. Happy Monday. I am coming at you guys live just from above today because I'm having an issue with my iPad. And yeah, for some reason I can't get the software to work that I need to use, so I don't know. I think I just need to restart everything and I don't know, try again. So sorry you can't see me, but it's okay because I'm a hot mess today anyway. So thanks for tuning in. So to kind of piggyback off of the video that I did yesterday. So yesterday I made this really cute Halloween Flying Lessons raglan shirt for myself. Today I am making a little shirt for my 5-year-old. And he gets off the bus in 15 minutes. So we have 15 minutes. And I figure if I do it now, then he won't like barge in on me like he usually does. And it'll be a nice little surprise. And my baby is sleeping, so perfect timing, right? I was gonna go live tonight for you guys, and then I totally forgot we have a parent meeting at school tonight. So kind of like a back to school, learn about the classroom sort of thing. So this is the transfer I'm going to be using. Hey Lisa, thanks for watching. If you're just tuning in, say hi. Let me know where you're watching from. So I'm going to be making, if you're just tuning in, I am making a shirt for my 5-year-old. And it's just going to be a little Halloween shirt, and it's short sleeves, so I'm not sure if he'll actually be able to wear it in October, but you know, he'll wear it before then. I know he will. Thanks everyone for tuning in. How's it going? Say hey, hey. I am using the Eat Sweets and Be Spooky transfer. This is an A size transfer. It is 5x7. And these little A size transfers are perfect for doing kids shirts with. I love them. They're just like the best, most amazing size. They fit so many things. So I'm gonna line that up. He likes to do, he calls it painting. He likes to use the paste with me. I don't really let him use the ink much yet, because the one time that I did, so the ink is permanent. So the one time I did, he got ink on a pillowcase where it wasn't supposed to go. And then, yeah, it was kind of ruined. So that's kind of why I'm doing this now before he gets off the bus. So hopefully the bus isn't early, and yeah. I'm going to be using black ink and gold. But of course my dog has to burst in. It's National Dog Day. I don't know if you guys saw my post earlier. Post pictures of your doggies. I want to see them. I have my Sasha and I have my Murphy. Sasha, I call her my shop dog because she is always in the shop. She wants to be in here when I'm in here all the time. Like, she's the one who always barges in. If I were to shut the door and she's outside, she would sit there and whine at the door until I let her in. Murphy is my little beagle. He could care less about what's going on here in the shop. He does not want to be in here. He wants to be out chasing the squirrels and doing all of that. I'm not sure how this green is going to show up, so I'm kind of just going to try one of them. Oh, that's not bad at all. Okay. Cool. Whoops. So I'm going to do just 2 of these little candies in green. And even though, and I talked about this last night on my video, even though the ink does not dry nearly as fast as the paste, I still release it and then lay it back down, just because you don't want to run the risk of it drying if you take way too long. So, and then I just press it back down. And then let's do the gold. Hey, Mallory. Curious to see how this gold is going to turn out on the orange shirt too. I actually just had this orange shirt laying around. My other business is in shirts. I think I mentioned that last night. And he may have asked me for an orange shirt once upon a time. I don't remember. But I just saw this one laying around with my shirts and I was like, oh, I'm going to use that. Perfect timing. And I love this little multi-tool because it is so easy to just get in these little spaces like this. And it's kind of hard for me to see because I'm trying not to like bump into my camera. And 10 minutes until the bus gets here. Ooh. All right, and then let's release that. Yeah, that one didn't show up quite as well. That's okay. And then I'm just gonna do the rest of it in black. So when you peel it up like that, make sure you press it back down. And I have my ink mat under here. And the ink mat makes it so that the shirt doesn't move as you are squeegeeing. Gives it a sticky surface to adhere it to. If you don't have an ink mat, we sell the ink mats, but you can also use, some people just use a cardboard, like a piece of cardboard, which is not sticky, but it kind of helps a little bit. A lot of people use like a Cricut mat or a silhouette mat. Anything that's gonna keep it from moving, because if it moves, you're gonna get bubbles under your transfer, and that's not what you want. There. It spreads so easily. I love the ink. Okay, that I am going to get with the multi-tool. I don't want to accidentally get black in those little candy spots. And then I've got my Cricut Easy Press over here to heat set it when I'm done, once it's dry and it's beeping at me. It has a safety function where you have to push the button every 10 minutes. But you can use an iron too. The iron just takes twice as long. There we go. Here we go. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Say hi. Just making a cute little Halloween shirt for my 5-year-old. Ta-da! Isn't that cute? I'm gonna spray this right away. The ink will stain the green part of your transfer, and that is totally okay. As long as you get it washed out of the screen part, that's the only part that matters. If you get it, if it stains the green part, it's totally fine. It's not gonna damage your transfer. It's not gonna make it hard for you to use it again. Okay, let's get those put away. All right. Isn't that adorable? Oops, sorry, I'm bumping the camera. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a heart, give me a thumbs up. It's cute, it's simple. It's nothing like crazy fancy. I'm gonna pull out my ink mat, but I'm gonna be careful because it's still wet. And then I'm gonna hit it with the hair dryer really quick because you don't wanna heat set while it is still wet. And then I'm going to press it with my Easy Press. Trying to do multiple things at a time here. I was trying to clean my transfer while I was blow drying and it wasn't going very well. Okay, a lot of people people will, and I think I mentioned this yesterday, they will wait and let their design dry overnight. It's really up to you. Personally, I think it's as long as it's dry and as long as it's not wet, it's not a big deal. You don't need to wait overnight. But to each his or her own, it's up to you. Okay, that's pretty much dry. And then remember, make sure you put down something first. And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of pressure. And I'm at 320 degrees. If you are using an iron, you need to do it about, I would say I think the instructions say a total of 4 minutes. I don't honestly think you need that long. As long as you have it turned up. You want it on the highest cotton setting. You do not want steam. No steam. So the highest non-steam setting. I guess that wouldn't be cotton. I'm not sure. I don't iron. I don't have time for that. My husband irons. I don't. All right, I have 4 minutes till the bus gets here. I might give it to him when he gets off the bus. He always does this thing where he gets off the bus and he just starts running down our driveway. If I'm standing there waiting for him or not, he just gets off and he just runs. He's so excited. That's kind of cute. So another little tidbit, and I know this a lot from my shirt business too. Certain colors of shirts will have a little bit of discoloration after you press them if you are using a heat press or an easy press. So red does it a lot and orange will do it. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a definite place where my heat press was, or my easy press was around here. That will go away when it cools off as long as you actually didn't burn your shirt. Sometimes if you leave it on way too long, you can actually burn it. The length of time that I'm doing it right now is not going to be enough to burn it. So I'm not worried about that. All right, let's turn that off. It does have a timer on it too, the Easy Press. I don't use it. I kind of just go for it. And then let it cool off for just a second before I grab it while I clean off my squeegees. I have this resolution that I am going to make sure that I clean off my squeegees before I finish up a project from now on, because I used to just leave them out and then I would come back and I would have a hot mess the next day and I'd be like, I'm out of squeegees, and then I realized that they're all dirty and laying around my shop. So I'm just gonna start wiping them off when I'm done. There we go. That's it. When you wash your transfer, take a Clorox wipe, wipe the front of it, wipe the back, obviously lay it down first, but you get the idea. And then I lay it upside down, let it air dry for just a second. Whoops, don't let it stick to itself. I find that when it's just a little bit still damp, take your shiny side down and put the backer on the transfer instead of trying to put the transfer on the backer, if that makes sense. And you can write on the back too, so you can write back on it. Ta-da! There you go. And then just kind of smooth out your wrinkles. And then it's ready to go to use again. You can make 10 shirts with it if you wanted. Pull this out. Make sure it's not stuck together. There we go. And then, so you can already tell that the line from where that discoloration was from the Easy Press is already starting to go away. So that'll go away after it's completely cooled off. Love it, love it. Hope you guys liked it. Now, we don't exactly have matching shirts, but we both have Halloween shirts. Super cute. Alrighty, thank you guys for tuning in today. I know that was kind of a quick one, but the bus is going to be here in 1 minute, and I'm going to go give Cole his shirt, see if he likes it. I'm sure he will. It's orange. He likes orange. So thank you everyone for tuning in. I will see you guys back here. Tomorrow is 2 Minute Tuesday, where I'm going to create a small project from start to finish in less than 2 minutes. So that'll probably be tomorrow afternoon, late afternoon probably, during nap time is my guess. So I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye.